Is Europe set to ban halal meat? Is it set to outlaw religious slaughter of animals? A new court order has paved the way for governments to ban halal slaughter, and the move has triggered strong reactions. Food and faith are at odds. The decision has come from the top court, the European Court of Justice. It supports the ban on halal and kosher slaughter of animals. Earlier, the rule held in some countries, now it applies across Europe. Governments are free to ban halal or kosher meat. The story begins in 2017. Belgium banned halal and kosher meats. Religious groups challenged that order. They went to Europe's highest court, and now the European Court of Justice has upheld the Belgian ban. Jewish and Muslim groups have been opposing this. They say Belgium's rule is an attack on their traditions and rituals. In their plea, they urge the European Court to prioritize religious liberty. But they fail to convince the judges. The European Court is of the view that no animal should be slaughtered before being stunned. What does that even mean? Let me explain. Under halal and kosher rituals, animals are alive and healthy at the time of slaughter. Halal is the slaughter of conscious animals. This practice was widely abandoned in the 20th century. Now it is only practiced in Jewish and Muslim communities. Most slaughterhouses in the world now stun the livestock first, stun animals first. That means knocking them into a dazed or semi-conscious state using electric devices or gas. For years now, animal rights activists have pushed for a ban on halal and kosher. They say slaughtering animals while they're conscious is cruel. The way slaughterhouses prepare halal meat has been questioned too. I'm about to show you a video. Some viewers may find it distressing, so we advise viewer discretion. This video was published by The Guardian 5 years ago. It is from a halal slaughterhouse in the United Kingdom where sheep were kicked, hacked and thrown into solid structures. The video was recorded by a campaigning group. The pictures led to outrage. The violation of laws was clear. In 2009, the European Union made a law for the quote-unquote protection of animals at the time of killing. Now, this law says that animals must be stunned before they're killed, so that they are unconscious and do not feel any pain or distress. But exceptions have been allowed for religious practice. The latest order from the European Court of Justice re-emphasizes the need for tough laws to ensure humane treatment of animals. The judgment says Belgium has not violated religious freedoms. Instead, the law promotes animal welfare. In fact, the judges were of the view that Belgium's law strikes a fair balance between animal welfare and freedom of religion. But religious groups are not convinced. The head of the European Jewish Congress said the ruling, quote-unquote, severely undermined the right to perform Jewish religious practices, and this ruling is a heavy blow, they said, to the Jewish life in Europe. The European Jewish Congress has vowed to fight the court's decision. Israel too has jumped in with a statement of condemnation. The Israeli Foreign Ministry said this decision sends a signal to the Jewish community that they are not wanted in Europe. It harms the freedom of worship and religion in Europe, they say. No statement yet from the Muslim community, but it would be safe to assume that they're not happy with this verdict, considering the fact that they were the ones who challenged the law. And now, since the ban has the support of Europe's top court, other European countries can ban halal and kosher slaughter. Thank you for watching Gravitas on WION's YouTube channel. If you want to stay up to date with what's happening around the world, then subscribe to our channel and don't forget to like and share. Thank you very much for watching. WION, World is One.